My name is Raymond Choi. I am a junior mechanical engineer, and I am the project manager for Cooper Motorsports. My main role as the project manager is to make sure that people stay on task. So I make sure people do things on time. If there's any issues, I help them find solutions or alternative ways of solving said problems. And by doing so, hopefully we get the car done on time. Cooper Motorsports is a community of bright people who have great ideas coming together to work on something incredible. Personally, I couldn't come up with half the ideas these guys could. And they all bring different cards to the table. People are good at machining, people are good at CAD work, people are good at carbon fiber work. And it's amazing to be able to get a chance to see what they do and learn new skills from them too. The thing I'm most excited for this year is that might just be one of our best years yet. We have a lot of experience coming into the team. We have a lot of new freshmen coming into the team too to help us out, to put some of our new crazy ideas to light. And in terms of just design, in terms of understanding how the car works, it's all built up to this one year.